Are you looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Haines City, Florida? Look no further than Britt's Dumpster Rentals. At Britt's Dumpster Rentals, we provide top-notch dumpster rental services to meet all your waste management needs. Whether it's a home renovation, a construction project, or a significant cleanup, we've got you covered. Our dumpsters come in various sizes to fit any project, big or small, ensuring you have the right container for your specific needs. Designed for easy loading, our dumpsters make your cleanup process quick and efficient. Plus, our flexible rental periods ensure you have enough time to complete your project without any rush. At Britt's Dumpster Rentals, we offer transparent pricing, so you'll never worry about hidden fees or unexpected charges. Concerned about the environment? So are we. Once you're finished, we'll pick up your filled dumpster and dispose of everything responsibly, following all local regulations and recycling guidelines. Need help determining the right dumpster size for your project? Our friendly and knowledgeable staff is here to assist you with any questions. Visit our website at www.nextdaydumpsterrentals.com Dumpster Rental Haines City FL or call 863-949-6974 to schedule your dumpster rental today. Britt's Dumpster Rentals, making cleanups easy and efficient, one project at a time.